Hello my pretty people, how are you doing? I hope you are doing all great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I designed my t-shirt with this African map fabric. So let's get started with the tutorial. In order to make this DIY, you need an African map. So I am drawing the African map on paper, but if you can do it, just do it as I'm doing. But if you don't, I suggest you to go on Google and download the African map picture. Go and print it out so you can use it later. Now I placed the map on the interfacing like this and I cut everything out, just to have the amount of fabric I need. I do the same with the main fabric. Now I'm going to iron it. Just make sure that the wrong side of the fabric is facing the wrong side of the interfacing. The other side with glue, I think. I don't know how you call it. And then iron it like this. I'll place the map on the fabric this way, just like this. Pin it everywhere and then cut everything out, following the shape. Don't forget this little one. Madagascar, this island. Now take the map, place it like this. In the middle, I'm just checking to make it more beautiful. Just place it in the middle like this and pin everything. I first hand stitched. It's easier for beginners. If you're a beginner, please do like this first. So I'm going to zigzag stitch everywhere, all around. Just follow the shape of the map. And don't forget to have a matching thread to make it more beautiful. So when you are done, just clean everything up, outside and on the inside. Iron everything, give it a good press like this, and we are done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you next time for another video tutorials. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative, and God bless you. I see you next time. Bisous, bye bye.